Now, your WLKY weather with Chief Meteorologist Jay Cardosi.
Well, after thick cloud cover, a few sprinkles, and certainly some very cool air, it's nice to see those clouds thinning out just a little bit. Some sunshine, as you can see, reflecting off the Ohio River. This vantage point is from the Sheraton and Jeff as we're looking down the Ohio River. Those clouds, again, thinning, a few holes now starting to form. A couple of sprinkles earlier in the day. Those are now working off to the east, and it looks like it will stay dry on this Tuesday evening. 48 degrees at last check, humidity 35%, east-southeasterly winds in here between 10 and 15 miles per hour. So there's your radar scan. Looks great now around the metro. The light sprinkles, the patchy light rain that was scattered about earlier, now well off to the east and northeast and working away. And as I mentioned, for the rest of this night and pretty much all day during the day tomorrow, we're going to have lots of dry time, and those temperatures will be warming up today. And even right now, we're still dealing with the cool air. Low 40s to the north, mid and upper 40s closer to town. And the farther south you go across the Commonwealth, you get into the 50s. Out in southern and western Kentucky, we're talking 70s have invaded, middle 70s just last hour out around Paducah and also the land between the lakes. Okay, the warm weather that is moving in our direction has caused all these clouds to form and those sprinkles. There's the surface warm front again to the south of that boundary. Southern Kentucky, western Kentucky on into Tennessee. Those temperatures skyrocketed this afternoon. 40s to the north, there's a 65 Bowling Green, low mid-70s Nashville to Paducah, and that's the warm air moving in our direction for one day, for tomorrow, so try to enjoy it. A price to pay, though. A lot of wind is coming with the warm-up. Now, this evening, we stay dry. The clouds will continue to thin out. Temperatures holding fairly steady from where they're at right now, basically in the upper 40s from now until about midnight. And after midnight, they'll actually climb. When you wake up in the morning, mostly cloudy skies will greet you. It looks dry on your Wednesday morning, and those temperatures will start to jump with a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow afternoon. The big weather story, the wind advisory. Some of those wind gusts tomorrow could be 40 to 45 miles per hour, every so often anyway, and those will be warming winds. High temperatures climbing into the upper 70s to near 80. And then tomorrow night, the cold front moves in. Boy, here we go. With it, a large area of rain, a few embedded storms working from west to east across the region. Again, this is tomorrow night. Any of the heavier storms could produce some severe weather. There's not a lot of instability, so it is somewhat conditional, but there is a ton of wind energy. For that reason, we have a slight risk for some severe weather across the viewing area tomorrow evening. On a scale of 1 to 5, this is a 2 for our area. The farther west and southwest you go, that ramps up quite a bit. Nonetheless, rain, a few embedded storms tomorrow evening. Any of the heavier cores could produce strong winds, maybe even an isolated spin-up. We'll have to watch for that. The timing from 8 o'clock to midnight, the widespread severe weather, that looks to be around the state of Mississippi. That's where a moderate risk for severe storms and even some fairly strong tornadoes could spin up down that way. Around here this evening, passing clouds, cool, quiet, temperatures in the upper 40s. Tomorrow, what a turnaround. We're up around 80 late afternoon. It will be windy. And then the rain, the storms move in tomorrow evening. There could be a couple of bouts of severe weather. We'll watch it close. Much cooler Thursday, Friday. Speaking of Thursday, a few more late daylight rain showers. And we might even sneak in a shower on Saturday. But this weekend, it's better than last weekend. It's still somewhat cool, but we're in the low 60s for Saturday and Sunday.
Can I say, Kendra and the very nice clerks at the Jefferson County Clerk's office on Westport Road said to tell you, you need to change this weather. You need to get the forecast turned around. They're ready for some warm weather there.
I'm working on it. I'm pressing every button I have back there, trust me.